Alright, so this is the test version of the circuit setup. I'm using an Arduino Uno board, and I've got a just off-the-shelf 7805 voltage regulator there, and a little SMD transistor and diode setup I'm using to signal the solenoid. And the board's actually running right now. I just need to turn on the power from the battery, and then it will send the 5-volt signal to the solenoid to activate it. And you can see the LED is blinking, and you can hear the solenoid firing, and that's a 10 millisecond fire, and test circuit's working.